Open addressing is a method to solve collision within hash table. It's also known as closed hashing. In quadratic probing, when a collision happens, we quadratically probe for the next bucket until an empty bucket is found. For example, assume a hash table with a size 11. Store following values using quadratic probing with the hash function. First input data 13, it returns the hash value 2. So it's stored at index 2. 23 in index 1, 22 in index 0. For 34, it's supposed to store at index 1. But there is a collision. So we move quadratically at a time until find an empty bucket. 34 is stored in index 5. 12, supposed to store at index 1. We follow the same collision resolution pattern as 34. It's stored at index 10. Summary. Compared with linear probing, quadratic probing suffers milder form of clustering called as secondary clustering as we follow same collision resolution pattern, for example, store 34 and 12. Like, share, and subscribe.